Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to make someone admin on your Tango live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Right, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, you have to look at the bottom area of your screen. You'll see the live icon right there. Click on it. Alright, so once you click on it, you'll be live on Tango. Right, so once you're live on Tango, you have to wait for people or the person who you want to make admin to join your live stream. Alright, so once the person joins, you will see the person at the bottom left corner right there. Alright, so what you have to do is just click and hold on the user, and you see the option to set as an admin. Alright, so that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to make someone admin. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.